So you're thinking about selling your house and you're not sure where to start, right? Well, I want to tell you 5 things that will help you sell your house faster and for more money. I'm Stacey Sappington, a local realtor, and I would love to represent you. But no matter who you hire, I still want to serve you. So here are 5 tips to help you prepare your home to sell. Number 1, have the outside of your home power washed and do some light landscaping. This is one of the least expensive ways to brighten your home from the road and clear away any dirt or cobwebs. And to keep it simple, just trim back trees and shrubs, clean up flower beds, add a few colorful flowers and a fresh bed of mulch. You'll be surprised at the difference. Number 2, declutter your space. Keep in mind that you are selling your space, not your things. So pack away things that are taking up that space. Box up collections and books, opening up bookshelves. Pack up winter clothes, opening up closets. Pack away toys and daily items into laundry baskets that can easily be pulled in and out of closets for daily living. Also, you can tone down your personalized decor by switching out your linens to all white bedding and towels and switching out your family portrait for some colorful wall art. And if you know this is not your strong suit, hire a professional. Confirm with your CPA, but staging is tax deductible. Number 3, neutralize smells and have your home professionally cleaned. Not all realtors are going to be honest with you, but every house has a unique smell. And sometimes it's good and sometimes it's not. But don't worry, smells can be neutralized if someone has been brave enough to make you aware. Also, have the home professionally cleaned. A professional is going to clean things you don't always think of because you don't always look at your chandelier or your baseboards, but buyers will. So it is well worth the money to have someone come in and clean. Number 4, switch out your yellow, warm light bulbs to blue, cool light bulbs. This gives your home a bright, cool look instead of a dark orange look. This makes a huge difference in the professional photos, 3D tours, and video that I use for marketing. And it makes a huge difference when people are standing in your home looking at every detail. Look for 3,000K to 3,500K on the light bulb box. I love this one because it's so quick and won't cost much at all. Number 5, paint. Now, before you freak out, this is not always necessary and it's not always in the budget. But fresh paint can give a house a bright look and give it that newly painted smell. Let's chat about your specific home before you do any upgrades, because not all upgrades are rewarded. I would love to be your realtor and personally help you do these things. I'm always a call or a text away, or you can click the link below to connect. But no matter who you hire, I hope these tips help you get top dollar, and best of luck to you in the sale of your home.